हेलो,
What a
आइए।
beautiful office.
ये थोड़ा खराब से देख रहे हैं, ये मैंने खुद अपने हाथों से किया था।
So what was that play?
Ivan the Dabba.
Is it
It is the
exactly?
best kulcha in Amritsar.
So we've got you a Punjabi feast. आलू टिक्की, दही भल्ला, मटर कुलचा, सूजी के गोलगप्पे, अमृतसरी कुलचा.
Vedang and I went on a recce with Imtiaz sir to Punjab. When you have a friend who's like, "ये खाना है क्या?" and that person's like, "Yeah, half." But that half becomes more than one. So Imtiaz sir and I, when we met for the first time, we spoke about food for like an hour, and then I sent him my mom's ghar ka puran poli, tilguls and modaks and just lots of things. I sent it to you too. No, I
You
didn't.
send me the.
You're from जमशेदपुर. तो वहाँ की कोई एक स्पेशल डिश है?
मसाला कोला।
वैसे आपको खाना खाने अकेले अच्छा लगता है या
नहीं
सबके
नहीं,
साथ?
बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता अकेले। Best way to show loneliness, I guess, the easiest way is a person eating alone.
Can we start with this before it gets cold?
I think golgappe for me.
Yeah.
मैं हाथ से कर रहा हूँ.
Never have I ever broken up and gotten back to the same person. Okay. Never have I ever romanticized sadness. Please, आप तो सब ले लो. Anurag Kashyap once in his interview said that
Don't believe it. आपको लगता है वो जिस तरह की फिल्में बनाता है, आपको लगता है वो सच बोल रहा होगा? Crooked characters in his film coming from him.
करके तो रह नहीं सकता तेरी।
प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने का बेस्ट तरीका एक ट्रिप ले लो. शाहिद कपूर, आदित्य and जब वी मेट जस्ट टुक अ ट्रेन. तमाशा, you had रणबीर कपूर traveling to Corsica. Jordan in Rockstar visiting different places. Highway again, a very travel inspired film. Does that come from your personal love for travel?
I always felt that nobody knows me, so I can be anybody.
इस ऑफिस में लिखी गई हैं कुछ ऐसी कहानियां जिसने हमें प्यार करना सिखाया, हार्ट ब्रेक फील कराया और खुद को ढूंढना सिखाया. On this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, हम मिलेंगे इम्तियाज अली, शर्वरी और वेदांग से at इम्तियाज़'s office window seat. Let's go. आपके ऑफिस के अंदर आते ही ऐसा लगता है जैसे कोई एक सफर शुरू हो गया है.
Suffering तो नहीं शुरू हो गया।
नहीं नहीं, सफरिंग नहीं.
वो भी हो सकती
The name is very interesting. Window seat.
Window seat makes you glimpse into the life that is not your own. You know, you can look beyond what is in the train through the
Wow,
window
sir.
seat. So it's kind of a little.
What a deep thought, sir. Sir, at Curly Tails, you're looking for a director like that. के लिए एक job offer है
Please,
मेरे
मेरी
पास.
फिल्म
क्या
खत्म
है?
हो चुकी है, शूटिंग खत्म हो
हाँ जी.
चुकी है, तो मैं फ्री हूँ.
उसके
आप
बाद
बोलिए, मैं
oh,
स्टार्ट
done.
कर
Sir,
सकता हूँ.
you are hired. Sir, but fees?
फीस,
Internship से शुरू करें?
पैसे, सब कुछ पैसा नहीं
ओह
होता.
क्या बात है, वाह क्या
पैसा नहीं,
बात है.
असली कमाई पैसे की नहीं होती, प्यार की होती है.
बिल्कुल.
मैं प्यार का भूखा हूँ.
But I have to say the interiors are very very eclectic, खूबसूरत.
you.
Lot of like the rustic earthen vibe है. Was
हाँ.
that intentional?
नहीं, हमारे पैसे कम पड़ गए ना, तो हमने चूना कराना मुनासिब नहीं समझा. हम फर्स्ट हैंड फर्नीचर खरीद नहीं पाए, तो सेकंड हैंड फर्नीचर हमने खरीद लिया.
और ये जो दीवार पे पेंट आधा अधूरा, वो मजदूर भाग गए थे बीच में या स्टाइल है?
हाँ नहीं, वो हम डेली वेजेस नहीं दे पाए उनकी ना.
ओह अच्छा.
तो उसके बाद फिर ये जो थोड़ा खराब से देख रहे हैं, ये मैंने खुद अपने हाथों से किया था.
सर कितने फ्लोर्स हैं यहाँ पर?
3 फ्लोर्स.
3 तो चले
4
ऊपर
है
से.
एक्चुअली, बट
4?
आपको सिर्फ 3 तक ले जाएंगे, बिकॉज उसके बाद बहुत तकलीफ होगी चढ़ने
ओह
में.
अच्छा. ठीक है सर, थैंक यू. We've got a Punjabi vibe for you guys.
That's
here.
so awesome. Thank you so much.
So lovely.
But
I
I
love
love
these
coming.
like little things.
Yeah, they really.
I like this truck which has national permit. Go anywhere in the country.
What a cool office you have. I have
Thank
to
you.
say. तो आप दोनों का जॉब इंटरव्यू यही हुआ था?
जी जी.
Actually बिल्कुल इधर ही हुआ
Exactly
था.
यही हुआ था.
ये वाले
मैं वहाँ
कमरे.
बैठी थी.
अच्छा आपका यहाँ था, मेरा उस कमरे में था.
ओ मेरा यहाँ था.
तो कास्ट करने के लिए क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होता है? कुछ ऐसा एक इमोशनल ट्रॉमा या कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए एक्टर्स की लाइफ में?
नहीं, मुझे लगा कि ट्रॉमा तो हम दे देंगे. टैलेंट होना चाहिए. और suitability होनी चाहिए.
इससे पहले आप लोग कभी कोई जॉब इंटरव्यू वगैरह के लिए गए हो?
I was very close. लेकिन लकीली आर्चीज का ऑडिशन लैंडेड. 1-2 महीने का पीरियड था कोविड के टाइम पे जब मैं जॉब प्लेसमेंट्स एंड ऑल आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर बिकॉज आई थॉट आई विल गेट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड डू एमबीए.
तो
बहुत
एक्टिंग वाज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ योर
it was but it was I mean a case of landing something. तो उस समय तो कुछ हुआ नहीं था. 2 साल से ऑडिशन कर रहा था. एक कुछ एड या ऐसे बस यही चल रहा था. So if that thing didn't happen I would very well be on my way to the MBA.
I remember I had asked Love Sir if I can assist in the film, and he had actually sat across me and asked me ki this was during Pyar Ka Panchnama 2, and I said that I really want to be on a film set and can I just be an AD? And he said, but then he started asking me, do you know this, do you know that? And I said I don't know anything. So then he said, okay, then just be the DA and you start off like that and then you'll have to start learning. It was a job interview technically, but it was not so formal.
सर आपकी फिल्में देखकर कई सारे लोग इंस्पायर होते हैं अपना जॉब छोड़ने के लिए, राइट? तमाशा देख लिया, और यहाँ पर तो आपकी फुल टीम है, वो भी कई ज्यादा इंस्पायर हो जाएं
कि जॉब छोड़ दें. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जितने भी लोग हैं ना सब ड्रिफ्टर्स एंड ड्रीमर्स हैं. दैट इज व्हाई वी वाइब वेरी वेल, वी फाइट विद ईच अदर अ लॉट एंड देन वी लव ईच अदर इवन मोर, एंड देयर इज अ सर्टेन कैरेक्टर दैट इमर्जेस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ड्रिफ्टिंग. बिकॉज हम सब अक्सर ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपनी अपनी दुनिया में अपनी अपनी जिंदगी में फिट नहीं थे.
तो आप भी कहीं जॉब करते थे इससे पहले?
नहीं, मैंने जॉब किया तो नहीं, बट मैंने कोशिश बहुत की जॉब करने की. मैंने एडवर्टाइजिंग और मार्केटिंग का कोर्स किया सो दैट आई कुड गेट अ जॉब. वो मिली नहीं. टू गेट सम एक्स्ट्रा मनी ड्यूरिंग कॉलेज आई ट्राइड टीचिंग. देन आई applied for a job in La Meridian Hotel in Delhi.
Okay.
That job I got because I
As?
wanted some
As
extra money.
what?
As a waiter type, like a
Okay.
steward. But I could speak English and present and all of that. So wo
And
flow
teaching
manager
what,
type.
sir?
Teaching English because I had done well. Like I had topped the college and all of that. So लोगों ने कहा, why do you want to go and work at La Meridian? वो तो बस में ही जाने से बहुत वक्त लग जाएगा. So you know you can teach students and get money. But I wasn't so interested in teaching. I thought being a steward would be more like interesting for me.
Okay.
But वो भी नहीं हुआ. फिर ultimately I started doing a play and then these plans got abandoned.
That's great. I never knew this.
Yeah, even I didn't know that about him.
So talking about his films, right? I think we all, आप लोग तो actors हैं, but even non-actors dream of being a part of his
Yeah.
film,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I want to know, was there a particular movie that made you all feel like you all want to be a part of Imtiaz Ali film someday?
I think Rockstar really cemented that for me because you know I had musical aspirations also. So to see Jordan be on stage and perform, and as a teenager maybe that excited me.
Yeah.
I think it was Jab We Met for me, but I don't think at that time I thought of being an actor. I do remember vividly that harem pants were a thing and t-shirts were a thing, and we roamed around in harem pants and t-shirts for like years to come after that.
But one common thread in most of your films as a traveler जो मैंने नोटिस किया है कि प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने का बेस्ट तरीका एक ट्रिप ले लो. तो शाहिद कपूर, आदित्य in Jab We Met just took a train randomly. Tamasha, you had Ranbir Kapoor traveling to Corsica. You had Jordan in Rockstar visiting different places. Highway again, a very travel inspired films. Does that come from your personal love for travel?
No, I think so. I feel that the love for travel has been there much before I became a filmmaker. And any kind of travel was very fascinating and interesting for me, not only because of the places I saw, but who I became in a travel. I always felt that nobody knows me, so I can be anybody. That kind of experience, it was very fresh, and I feel that it is such an accessible way of entertaining oneself. You don't have to have too much money. You can just go somewhere where people don't know you, and then they ask you on the train, "आपका नाम क्या है?" तो मैं बोलता था, "Charles Sobraj."
This
So.
is
And
really you did?
yeah, I've done all of
Really?
that.
That
So
is-
it's so interesting
Right.
being on train journeys and
Nice.
so
I
all,
like that.
all of that. So because you feel fresh, you feel so different, and all of this I'm realizing in retrospect that ये सब हुआ. So travel of course gives you everything. Travel is what I feel. There is an interview of an old man and a woman. They spend all their savings. They have a tea stall in some place in South India. They spend all their money traveling to foreign countries.
Yeah. I
Have you heard of
We've
this?
covered their story. Yeah.
So then they said, "सर आप ऐसे क्यों करते हो? आपका तो घर नहीं है, आपने तो कुछ कमाया है, जो भी है वो तो ट्रैवल में लुटा दिया. आप तो लंदन, अमेरिका कहाँ जाते हो?" वो बोला कि हम जो भी कमा करके whatever we get in this world will be left behind when we died.
Yeah.
But the travel that we've had will go with us.
Wow.
Wow, I
and,
love
you know,
that.
interestingly, they're still very happy exploring the world,
Yeah.
even with those limitations, limited money, but they still want to go out and
yeah, it
travel.
was so
Really lovely.
inspiring. I'm so
That's
glad you
beautiful.
actually covered
Yes,
them. and
yes, we
spoke
do
to
cover
them.
a lot of these travel stories.
Amazing.
Yeah. Okay, talking of travel, we're going to play a fun game. Atlas. Places के नामों के साथ अंताक्षरी करेंगे.
Okay.
Okay, so if you say
Okay.
Corsica,
So
the
you'll have to
last
say
letter is
something
America
Okay.
with A, starting
Got it.
with A.
Got it.
And
So
we
it
have
can
lots
be-
of drinks here, so please
Wow,
we have
that's the
lassi.
vibe.
Okay, so shall we begin?
Yes.
Yes, Antarctica.
The order.
America,
Azerbaijan.
Nepal,
Lisbon.
Lisbon,
Sorry.
and New Zealand,
D. Denmark.
Kazakhstan,
Nagaland.
Dadar.
Russia.
Argentina.
I've already said Antarctica.
No more chances. Australia,
Alaska.
Ahmedabad,
Daman and Diu.
Oh, you. Uzbekistan.
One.
New York,
Oh, okay. I was just counting.
Kurla.
Kurla. Andheri.
Iceland.
D. Oh God, I'm so stuck with this D. बोलो ना. 3, you're down,
Denmark,
Yeah.
I said.
Denmark is done.
So you're out. Now it's
Oh
one
my
to
God,
one.
the big competitions here.
I'm
back
so
again.
not ready for this.
We are-
Ram will win.
Oh my God.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think he might win.
I think
I'm just
Sharvari.
making him nervous so that
You're
you
like
win.
rooting for him and
No,
all.
no,
I thrive under
I'm betting
pressure.
on you, Sharvari.
He
Go
thrives
for
under
it.
pressure. it's-
Why is my heart genuinely beating for
Because we have an ongoing long competition in life in many sports. Now Atlas will be a part of its own camera.
He lost in running, so he better win here.
Letter is D and time starts now.
D.
You had so much time to.
No, but that's why I didn't know.
Okay.
Dadar is done, right? Dadar is done?
Yes.
So I've lost already.
Okay, Sharvari, you start D. Chalo.
Oh, I have to
Yeah,
do
start. Okay,
Well, I want
one.
to start a new, fresh letter.
Dehradun. Very
It's done.
good.
It's done. Oh, it's not done.
Dehradun,
No,
it's
it's
not
not
done.
done.
Okay, N.
Technically, I have one, but sure, we'll win for grace sakes.
Namibia.
Huh? Arctic Ocean. I don't know. It's a place, right? Like, no, it's an ocean. Come on.
We said countries, states, even cities, even localities. We've even said Dadar, but never oceans. Chalo, D, let's do 1-1 because I messed up. Now last chance. Whoever loses, loses. Okay.
Oh my God.
What letter do we start
Arctic
with?
Ocean. N.
That, yeah.
Yeah.
N only. Nebraska.
Australia.
Done.
Done.
Not done.
It's
Not
done. I
done.
said
Done.
it. I said
Oh
it.
my God. No.
Please do the honors.
Cheers,
Yes,
cheers,
yes,
cheers.
Very nice.
Sharvari, you have another chance to redeem yourself. We are going to play another game which is called Spot the Change. मैंने आपके Instagram से कुछ images लिए हैं and using Photo Assist on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, I have made some minor tweaks to these photos and you have to tell me कि मैंने इन images में क्या बदला है. Okay? So first, your picture.
Sharvari is missing.
Yes.
Yeah, that was an easy one.
Yeah, this is in Chural, behind
shooting,
in that
yes.
area in Punjab.
That is correct.
We shot in 14 districts in Punjab, really. Like
Okay.
all kinds of places
Those
everywhere.
14.
Basi Pathana and
Malerkotla.
Malerkotla.
But what's your obsession with Punjab? A lot of movies are being shot in Punjab, no?
I get stories there. I think I feel a connect, especially to this place.
So the original picture is
Yeah.
this. What do you think has changed in this picture?
Oh, the location has changed.
Correct.
Yeah,
Wait, how did you get that?
Nice,
So wait,
huh?
even I want to see this.
yeah, this is the location.
So where was this actually? This was
at Nizamuddin Dargah.
Okay, and
We
you
have gone
put it in
there.
a studio.
yeah.
That is incredible, by the way.
This
Look at how like
yeah,
realistic.
very
it's
well
accurate,
done.
huh?
It's really nice.
It's very realistic.
Sharvari, what's changed here?
Oh, I was baking, not cooking. That's quite cool.
You can swipe and
It was
see
like-
the original
There was
picture.
pottery.
So do you enjoy pottery?
Actually, this was one of my best friend's birthday, and she wanted the whole group to go and do pottery, and we actually had a great time. We made a big mess, but
Okay.
but it was good fun.
Okay, this is going to be tough for you to guess. I think.
Okay, I'm so losing because I have no idea what's happening.
We've changed.
Even I'm.
I have
It looks
no
like
idea
the,
what's happening.
I mean, I wouldn't know. I think the plants are not real.
If nothing is real.
By the way, you are a part of the original picture. Yes.
Oh, is this the
oh my god,
one?
this is a poster picture?
Oh my god, the one that I'm running behind you.
Yes, I
Is
mean,
it
it looks
that?
like that
Can
because
you swipe
my
and
only
see?
pose was like that,
This is
holding the.
unbelievable. Oh my god.
Okay,
That-
if you hadn't said that, I would
we
not
would,
have.
yeah,
I would
never
have
in a
gotten it.
million years.
Yeah, yeah.
As for me,
Yes.
in this picture, Alia is missing, and this was in Singapore. Can I swipe to the original one?
Yes.
Yeah, she's right there.
Yes.
She's like popping her head.
This was in Singapore. We had a schedule there for Jigra, and I think this was our last day in Singapore. So on the last day, we went to this. I think this was by the
But the Merlion is.
Merlion is correct,
Looks like
absolutely
that.
correct. And we were just sitting by this place, and Sudo, who was the photographer, he was there clicking some pictures. And actually, this was Alia's thought. I think she wanted to do something where it was like, I feel like she said, you know, you should have your moment or something like that. Like, I want us to post for you. And this is just Alia in general. She's always the most giving, gracious person, always looking out for everyone around her. And I think this was one of those gestures that she did.
What about this picture?
Okay.
Do you remember this?
Yeah, I very well remember this. This was actually when you were not there.
there.
So this was in Chural, and I was 100% not on a bike here. I was on a bicycle. This was a lovely day. Yeah, this is the original picture. And
Time
actually,
with
that
the
was I've
locals.
learned so much about the fields around the crops. They actually I kind of I guess harvested those crops as well.
Yeah.
And I learned about Hallo. Is it called?
Hello.
Hello.
It's a sound.
Which is,
Yeah.
it's a
It's like a
Saag,
type,
and it's
yeah.
called, it has a really
Hello.
peculiar name,
Hello.
Yeah.
which took me 5 days to like really process. Because somebody said halam, somebody said hulum, somebody said hello. So, anyways, that was one thing that I kind of, and I cooked also that day with their help.
Oh.
Anyways, so this was a really fun day in the fields.
सोशल मीडिया पर एक रील वायरल हो रही थी about how all your actors when they are depressed are eating alone. You look at Saif Ali Khan in Love Aajkal.
Yeah.
And
Saif Ali Khan
Saif
in-
Ali Khan
I
in
didn't
Love
know this.
Aajkal. Yeah. So
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, I
when
think-
he gets that job
so,
at the
yeah.
Golden Gate,
Oh.
San
Yeah.
Francisco,
Oh, yeah,
and when his life
yeah.
becomes too monotonous.
Yeah, monotonous.
I know
Yeah,
your
yeah,
films
yeah.
better than
No,
you.
no,
To be fair, this has actually been this particular shot isn't part of our discussion
Yeah,
because
'cause I brought it up one day.
he brought it up one day because he saw it on the internet, but nobody knew that this is something that Imtiaz has in his films.
Very recently, because I did not know about this either. And
Before the publicity had started, so
Yes.
nobody else knew about
Yeah,
it.
nobody else knew about it. We had this shot as well, and it was in the song Wo Nahi. I said that I'm very glad that I did not know about this before shooting for it, because I didn't, I would have treated it, or it would be in my subconscious that this is one of those moments. So I spoke to him about it, and I was surprised that he said, I had no idea this is a thing.
बट वैसे आपको खाना खाने अकेले अच्छा लगता है या
नहीं
सबके
नहीं
साथ?
बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता अकेले.
अच्छा.
I think that's why it comes out.
Yeah.
Because the best way to show loneliness, I guess, the easiest way is a person eating alone.
Right.
Yeah.
And yeah, for like in my house, my father would say everyone has to eat together. So eating alone is a very big problem even for me here. If I'm eating at an odd time, I go and find out who in the office hasn't eaten, so I can eat with them.
But today we have come to your office and we have full Punjabi vibe. Your
Wow.
upcoming movie
Thank you.
is also shot in Punjab.
Yes.
So we've got you a Punjabi feast. From Pinned by Pratap's, they are known to serve the most authentic vegetarian Punjabi food.
That is so kind of you.
That's-
That's so kind
Shall
of
we
you.
So
begin?
nice. Yes,
Yes, of
please.
course, we must.
Imtiaz sir, me and Vedang are big foodies.
Oh,
I
is
just
it?
want to tell
Okay.
you. Me and Vedang have only and only eaten in Punjab. I just
So
want
give us
Really?
some recommendations. What did you all
Oh,
eat?
so what is that?
Play.
Which one? The Daba.
Pehlwan
Kellan
da
da
Daba.
Daba.
Everywhere you go, there'd be a Pehlwan the Dhaba.
But this
Okay.
one was a different.
This
so
is
I
different,
remember
yeah.
when I was searching for Pehlwan the Dhaba, there were like 2 or 3 of them, and I really had to find which one you were talking about. So I went on your Instagram and their
And then saw a
Instagram.
picture.
Really? Saw a
Correct.
picture of you, and then I was like, okay, this is how it
You
looks
brought it
like.
up
What's special
also.
about Pehlwan the Dhaba and where is it
It is
exactly?
the best kulcha in
It's in Amritsar.
It's the best kulcha in the world. You'll never have a
Yeah,
better
it's really that good. And I reached at a time that day where it was sold out also, so I could imagine.
kulcha. Oh, 2 baje फिर वो लोग all the staff actually
this-
stands outside on the road and says yes.
हाँ,
Which
so I
means
really,
जाओ.
नहीं है.
I really requested them. I said, मेरा आखिरी दिन है इधर. So please आप you do it. And he's
नहीं,
like,
they
ठीक है, ठीक है.
did. They did. वाह.
They did.
हरीश पहलवान वहाँ पर है.
The food's here.
Yes, ma'am.
Lots of Punjabi foods.
आलू टिक्की, दही भल्ला, मटर कुलचा, सूजी के गोलगप्पे, अमृतसरी कुलचा, दाल बुखारा, पनीर धनिया अदरकी, गुलाब जामुन and feet.
So shall we dig in?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Yes.
start. We have some suji wale golgappe also.
Wow.
Okay, I have a special request. Can we start with this before it
Yeah.
gets cold?
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
okay.
do
This is
Yeah, I
okay
was
to do
just
cold.
gonna say
Fair,
that.
but I think golgappe from.
Yeah, for me
Sorry.
also
Sorry,
golgappe
Sorry.
first.
So fine.
It's too tempting.
Okay, till
It's too
then-
tempting.
I'm going to take a little of this. The rest is
Let's-
fine.
मैं हाथ से कर रहा हूँ.
This. Oh my god, this is feeling like the recce time. No,
Punjab
Imtiaz
is.
sir and I, in fact, before this film, when we met for the first time, we spoke about food for like an hour or more, and not even about the film. The film.
Really?
Yeah, it was really just about food. And then I sent him my mum's
yeah.
Ghar Ka Puran Poli. Because I was trying to make a point to him. We have this banter that constantly goes on, which is that Maharashtrian food. It's not versus really. We're just trying to like say that this is nice too. But I sent him some tilguls and modaks and just lots of things. I'm
What's
still
that?
in the process
What's
of.
that? The first one you said?
I sent it to you too. No, I
You
didn't,
sent me
sorry.
the-
I sent you the
Oh,
modak.
sorry,
so
sorry.
guys.
No, one second.
This
I
was
don't
not
think we were
supposed
doing
to
the
be
film
shared.
at that point. I'm sorry. You got the modaks. I didn't know you then.
So
And also Diwali, we ate so much food that
Made
came
a lot
from
of
home.
fun. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
My
yes,
mom
yes.
sent something from home, like
Yes.
shankar pale and chiwda
Yes,
and
that
stuff
was
like
lovely.
that.
But by the way, I have tried the misal pav at her house and it's so delicious. And
You
that's
have to make
something.
me
Yeah,
try
yeah,
that.
no, of course we all have
That's
to
something
do a
that you
thing
should
at
try.
home for sure.
Yeah, misal pav I really want to do.
So since you are a foodie, आपके घर पे क्या बनता है Sunday brunch? A special meal, what would it be like?
I eat mutton a lot. Sunday brunch could be but something like a puri and chana. That could be.
Anurag Kashyap once in his interview said that
Don't believe him.
he said आप best mutton pieces ले लेते हैं तो आपके
आप
सामने
उसकी-
No,
आपको
that's not
लगता है
true,
वो
that's
जिस
not
तरह की
true.
फिल्में बनाता है आपको लगता है वो सच बोल रहा होगा Where do you think he's getting his inspiration? Has such crooked characters in his film coming from him.
Him.
ये बात थोड़ी सच है मेरी टेंडेंसी है कि बेस्ट मटन पीसेस मैं खुद ले लूं
अच्छा
ये मेरा डार्क साइड है जब से उसने बोला एवरीबॉडी इज कॉन्शियस नाउ माय ओन डॉटर इज लाइक कैन आई सर्व माय सेल्फ
Actually, it's that you
I
need to
know
have the
that मेरे हाथ
knowledge.
से ना अच्छा पीस आता है then I feel that I can do this service like I give it to them
You're from Jamshedpur, right? तो वहाँ की कोई एक स्पेशल डिश है जो आपको मुंबई में मिलती है आपके घर पर मिलती हो जो
हाँ एक डिश है उसका नाम है मसाला कोला मसाला थम्स अप हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं
I tried it in Punjab, I think.
Yeah, they
Yes,
also
yes,
do
yes,
that.
yes, yes, yes.
No, you tried the दूध कोला. did you?
We tried yes, we tried doodh kola.
I learnt about the doodh kola. I don't think I
We
tried
tried
it. Did
it.
we try
with
it?
Yes, no, we called for it.
But
We
masala
tried it.
cola I remember. So what masala do you put in it?
So they have their own masala. I don't. Now I made friends with him, so he gives me. There's a
Okay.
small stall in Jamshedpur. Forever in my life, I've seen. So they have this concoction. They put something in the thumbs up or in the fizzy drink, and then nimbu, and it is just out of the world.
Yeah.
You know what they put. So there's been a lot of research. The police has investigated.
What
the
are you saying?
narcotics department has investigated.
So it's like a proper
Direct है.
secret ingredient.
हाँ कुछ है उसका.
अरे वाह.
उसका अपना mixture है.
अच्छा आप खा नहीं
Yeah,
रहे हैं?
मैं खाऊंगा.
It's actually really, really yummy.
कितना कुलचा खा रहे हो देखो कितना बटर लगाया मैंने.
Yeah, I was wondering how did you allow them जितना खाना है खाओ.
No, I
This
was
is
telling
recce.
them to eat.
Yeah, we went on a recce with Imtiaz sir to Punjab before obviously the film started. We ended up eating so much food on that trip and we became such good friends because we realized that when you have a friend who's like ये खाना है क्या and that person's like yeah half but then half becomes more than one.
We do half and
And-
then एक और उसका हम half.
So
कर
we
देंगे.
realized
फिर
that
दो
both
और.
of us are like we weren't like on like we were on a pretense diet, but we weren't on a diet, which we realized. And so we were going everywhere, and whatever we would see on a table, I remember we were on a dhaba, and the whole team was there. Okay. And Imtiaz had ordered lots of food. Somebody was drinking good wali chai, and it was not chai time, but we were like, should we have a good wali chai? And I knew nobody would answer, so I'm looking at Vedang and saying, Vedang's like, yeah, half. Now everywhere this half happened, and so many pedas we ate.
Recently also they're doing this.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, look at
we
that.
are half. We're always.
I think
That
we all
makhan
have
ka
that.
chunk, the
and
whole
the
chunk is
kulcha,
nice.
when we went to Kulcha Land.
Yes,
Oh
that
my
was really
god,
lovely.
we went to Kulcha Land and we ate
You know, we
two
didn't
kulchas.
go to Pehlwan the dhaba together.
No, we didn't go
actually.
together.
We really
We
should.
went to
if we
Kulcha
had the
Land
time.
together and we ordered two very big kulchas. and we finished. We were stuffed. You could tell we were stuffed. And then but weren't getting up. So we knew that, okay, that's an indication that something's missing. So we were like, should we repeat one more? And then we repeated one full kulcha again, which was just an abomination because we should not have been eating that much, but we
And it's like
loved
another
it.
large
But then you guys were
kulcha.
running so much.
Actually,
Yeah.
let me put this out there because of Sharvari, my impression has been that I'm only hogging food this whole time. But when we started shoot, I was very conscious of losing some weight.
Oh, and because of Sharvari, you lost some weight
Yeah.
too. Let's say
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Let's
I'll
put it
give you
that way.
credit, but also my diet was like the strictest it's ever been during shoot because I really was not eating any carbs. Then Sharvari was very, very regular with her runs. So she would do like a 5K and a 10K, which I'm not used to doing, but because of her, I tag along. So what I realized, sir, by the time I came back to Mumbai, I was 11 kgs down.
Yeah.
And I'm not a guy who has 11 kgs to lose. And I wasn't trying to lose 11 kgs. You know, it just kind of happened because I wasn't eating and we were. So this foodie reputation. Actually, this was probably the guilt from the recce.
Yeah, but we both ate and then we both worked out.
Yeah.
But this doesn't look like a 2026 love story. You're taking us back to
1947.
1947. Wow. Interesting. Oh my god, I'm too excited.
That is Firni, I think.
Yeah, would you like?
Somebody should
But
tell you
after
to wear a
after this,
loose
sir.
piece of clothing. Corset is really not.
Yeah, not working out.
You're coming on Sunday brunch, you should know.
Yeah, man. I really should have thought.
By the way, I
of
don't know,
this.
the Golgappa is actually very good.
It's really
Yeah,
good.
very good.
Very good. Are you
It's
not
very
had
good.
you're not a Golgappa fan, is it? Oh, is it? Okay.
I didn't
I'm
know
surprised
that.
you're
I
calling it
didn't know that.
Golgappa, by the way.
Yeah, because this
You're
is
not-
Golgappa, otherwise it's
not
Pani
yet.
Puri. Yeah,
No,
this
what
is
is the difference? The meetha nahi hai.
Suji. No, Suji ki puri is Golgappa and it's very
as far
Are you a
as I
Golgappa
knew-
person? I'm a Pani Puri person.
Yeah.
Wait,
So there's
what
a
are you guys
difference.
talking about? In Delhi or like you go up north and they call all of this Golgappa only?
Yeah.
Yeah, but there is
So,
a difference.
There is a difference.
And
I don't think
Mumbai
there's
is
a
Pani
technical
Puri.
difference.
So where
It
they
is
call it
Suji.
Pani Puri, it's made differently.
Exactly.
So then
Yeah.
we just follow it.
Exactly.
Where they call it Golgappa.
But what I'm trying to say is a Bombay person goes to Delhi, they call it Pani Puri
Yeah,
there and everyone's
sure.
giving you the looks.
Yeah.
And then a Delhi person comes here, they call everything Golgappa.
When
So
the
it's
Calcutta person comes and calls it
Puchka.
Puchka.
Yeah.
But it's all different by the way.
It is different.
it's,
The
I
puri
think
is different.
where you go, the style is
No,
different.
but the puri is different. Like this is suji.
And the
This is
filling.
Suji, I
and
agree.
the filling
And
is
the
also
filling. Here they
different.
even put ragda at times.
Yeah, ragda they put.
Last segment, never have I ever. Never have I ever run away from a situation instead of communicating.
No, yeah, I communicate. To be honest.
Yeah, me too.
I actually do.
Yeah, I'm big
Yeah.
on.
In your
Yeah.
films,
Communicating.
characters sometimes do, but not
Yeah.
you. You're very good with confrontations.
Oh, I love.
Really? Nobody loves confrontations. You love
That was a weird
confrontations.
way to put it.
That was, I love confrontation.
Nobody does, but I try to not run away.
You guys,
No,
you
I don't run
sit
away.
down and have a
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah. Even if it's
I
hard.
prefer to do that, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
very brave. Okay. Never have I ever fallen in love with someone at the wrong time.
The wrong time. Maybe, I guess.
Okay. Never have I ever broken up and gotten back to the same person. Okay.
What's the point of not being honest? Matlab,
Yeah, of course you
Yeah,
have to be
yeah,
honest.
you know what I'm saying?
You don't want to share anything more. other
No.
than-
No, thank you.
कैसे मिलेगा
गुलाब
guys
जामुन is
content
yum.
हमें? Okay, never have I ever taken a trip hoping that it would fix my life.
You have to eat if you have.
Yeah, issues.
Maybe actually I'm sipping for that.
Yeah, where did you go?
Singapore.
Yeah, all by yourself?
Yeah, a solo trip. That was my first solo trip.
Solo trip.
Yeah.
Oh, just because you wanted to run away from your problems.
Not run away from problems. Just wanted to spend some time with myself.
Where did you go?
I feel like London maybe.
And by yourself?
No, I went with friends.
Never have I ever tried to peep into someone else's phone. What?
I eat 2 bites for that.
I have. Blatantly.
Yeah, I know I very well know.
Of
Eat
course,
3 bites
Vedant's
for that.
phone.
Actually, you know, the problem is I think I have a compulsive thing. Someone picks up their phone, I look.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think it's like I'm
That's
trying
not
to
peeping.
pry.
That's not peeping. Peeping is
Yeah,
with
then
the
I'm not
intent of
sipping. You
getting
know,
to
sometimes
Oh,
it's
like
right
the
in front
intent,
of
I
you.
don't know. No, but like if someone's sitting next to me, like right now at lunch break or something, we're sitting and I'm eating and he picks up his phone, I look. But it's just not because I want to look at what he's doing, but it's just by habit.
I don't think I'll ever purposefully look into
No, even
someone's
I
phone.
won't. Not purposefully.
No, I will not
swear.
do that.
See, मैं ऐसा होने ही नहीं देती हूँ. Because on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, there is a privacy display. वो ऑन करते ही मेरे आसपास वाले मेरे फोन में नहीं देख सकते हैं. सबको सब कुछ बताना जरूरी नहीं है. Never have I ever acted emotionally unavailable just to look cool.
To look cool. No, yeah.
Wow! Wow!
I love the vibes.
In his movies, we can see that. Okay, never have I ever romanticized sadness. Please, आप तो सब ले लो.
क्या रेपुटेशन हो गया आपके
क्या
साथ?
यार, मैं तो बदनाम हो गया.
I'm really enjoying playing this game with Imtiaz sir.
Yeah. No, of course, your movies.
So I have to.
Yeah, of course you have to. You guys, no? तो सैड गाने सुनना ये वो नहीं होता है जब that is
यार पता है,
romantic.
मैंने किया है. मेरे फोन पे एक सैड प्लेलिस्ट है जिसका नाम है सैड.
मेरे इसमें emotional.
sad है.
Shut up, you have a place called emotional.
Really?
So tell me one song from that playlist.
अरे मेरा
Fire good.
Kun Faya Kun is 100% on it.
100% on that list. Come on, guys.
During Jigra, when I was shooting that film, I had a scene with Alia, and it was kind of like the emotional climax of the film, and we were supposed to do the scene where we hug each other, and it's a really emotional moment between brother and sister, and we were thinking of a song to play. And Alia said, you know, you have a song in mind or something. So we kept the speaker on that boat, and I said, you know what comes to my mind weirdly is Dichotomy of Fame. And we played that while our scene happened. So I never spoke about the story, but it's interesting. It's your film.
Interesting. Okay. Last one. Never have I ever done something completely impractical in the name of love.
Yeah.
अब ये बता दो. Don't take names. It's okay. But what is the most impractical, silly thing that you all have done?
I've been to Los Angeles and back.
Oh, that is actually
Wow, that's too
Unbelievable.
I
That's
can imagine
nice.
an Imtiaz Ali film
Wow,
there. 8
that's so
घंटे के लिए.
and back to India.
Back to India.
I hope it was
From
a happy
Bombay.
ending for you.
20 hours and how much
know,
is
right?
it?
So
More than.
sweet.
With
Changed
layovers,
flights,
Yeah.
No,
Sharma
I
has a
I
question.
have a statement, and I said I hope it was a happy ending for you because it's so sweet.
Yeah.
It's too sweet. Okay, it's not a question. I swear. I just
It's a statement.
it's like I have asked this question, and then there are headlines.
Okay, I am asking. I'm officially allowed to ask this question. Happy ending by the
Yeah.
itna. What the effort basically?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't think of like one impractical thing I've done, but maybe
there are many.
matlab general, compromising things I wouldn't do again, stuff like that.
I think, I mean, now in front of this long hour flight, is my answer is going to look a little like.
Actually, that's very
lame.
romantic.
But I have driven like in the city, but I've driven like some 1.5 hour to meet somebody after a fight, but like really late at night, and I just got my driver's license. So back then it seemed a little impractical to go out at night and
Yeah.
drive yourself.
Oh, that's sweet. So, guys, I can tell all three of you are extremely romantic, and we are looking forward to your romantic film that's coming up. When is it releasing?
12th of June.
12th of June.
Thank you very much
Yes.
for doing this.
Thank you
is
for
very
doing
Yeah,
it.
it's
Thank you.
idea for a
delicious.
show. Anytime
you.
you want to do anything with our film, please feel free.
100%.
We are just a phone caller.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
This is
Yeah.
too young.